we're really excited with it. Adventure Series electric fridge. Let's not put up. All right, here it is, and I'm really excited to bring this to you and get to. This is very well made to the high road armor standards, and it's definitely going to be able to. And controlling the temperature is super easy, and all done with the panel right here on the. Controlling the. Again, we're really excited to add this electric. In this box, it's going to have 2 cords. You can also find your standard wall outlet. Completely forgot what that was called. To adjust the temperature, it's super easy. It is done on the, it's done on my side.